Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to find friends on Facebook by your phone contacts. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Media and Contacts. Here you will see Continuous Contacts Upload. You have to enable that. Now tap on Get Started. Now you have to allow all the necessary permissions. Now it will take a few moments to sync your contacts. And here you will see people from your phone contacts here. With your phone contacts, you will see some other suggestions. And that's how you can find friends on Facebook by your phone contacts. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.